Stop scrolling. Listen to this before it's too late. What happens if Allah is angry with you? There is nothing more frightening for a believer than the anger of Allah. Because when Allah is displeased with someone, their heart changes, their life changes, and even their destiny changes. Allah's anger is not like human anger. It is justice. And when Allah is angry, the biggest punishment begins inside the heart. 1. The heart becomes hard. The first sign is a hard heart. You hear the Quran, but nothing moves you. You pray, but you don't feel peace. You know something is wrong, but you feel no guilt. A hard heart is more painful than any worldly suffering. 2. Salah becomes heavy. When Allah loves someone, He makes prayer easy for them. But when Allah is displeased, even 2 rakat feel heavy. You delay salah, you miss it, and slowly, the rope that connected you to Allah begins to weaken. 3. You continue sinning without regret. A believer may sin, but they never feel comfortable. But when a person sins and feels no shame, no regret, this is a sign that their heart is slipping away. 4. Barakah is taken away. Nothing in life feels smooth. Money comes but disappears. Plans fail, peace fades. You work hard but feel empty. When Allah removes barakah, everything becomes tougher. Even small tasks feel heavy. 5. You distance yourself from good. You avoid reminders. You stop listening to Islamic content. Quran feels boring. Religious people feel irritating. This is the heart running away from light. 7. Dua stops feeling powerful. You raise your hands, but your heart feels distant. Your dua feels weak. Sometimes the problem is not that Allah is not answering. The problem is that we are not living in a way that makes us close to Him. But Allah's mercy is greater than His anger. Even if these signs are in your life, it doesn't mean it's over. Allah's mercy is always open. Even after years of sin, one sincere moment of repentance can erase a lifetime of mistakes. So how to return to Allah? 1. Make true tawbah today. Sit alone, cry to Allah, apologize to Him. A sincere tawbah can turn His anger into love. 2. Fix salah immediately. Start praying on time. Even if you pray without concentration, continue. Prayer is the bridge back to Allah. 3. Leave that one sin you keep falling into. Every person has one sin that destroys them. Leave it for Allah, and He will replace it with something better. 4. Do one hidden good deed. Charity, a secret dua, helping someone quietly. Hidden deeds soften the heart. If you fear that Allah is angry with you, then know this. Hearts that Allah has abandoned don't feel fear. The fact that you are worried means Allah still wants you. Allah still loves you. So return to Him today, before the heart becomes too hard, before time runs out.